Everyone, this video I'm going to show you how to format a new hard drive. This is an additional hard drive added to this PC for Windows 10. Alright, so what you do, go here and go type, just put this and you'll find this, create and format hard disk partition. Just click that, and this one is this one right here. Good if you have like something like over 2 gig. This is only a 480 gigabyte SSD, so click in the R on that, click OK. Now if you're not sure, you can cancel that. I just move it here. It's right here, see, this number 1 right here, and so this is this number 1. See, partition is right here, so you don't want to touch that, only this one. So let's click OK. Make sure just this number 1, this number 1 here, or whatever it says here. If you had another one, if you have another hard drive, it's fine. Let's say this number 2 here. So let's click OK. Now it's done. It's now online. Sorry, initialize. Right now that we're done initializing it, now you go here. I just want to show you that we're not done yet. It's still not showing here. There's no D drive here yet. So you click here, where there's unallocated data here. Just right click it, simple volume. Click next, assign the following letter, D, whatever you want, but default's gonna be D. I just gonna leave it at D. Next, NTSS, volume, or allow it unit, up to you. I just leave it at default. New volume, you can name it. Let's name it Aquaman. Quick format, enable that, it doesn't matter, just go. Next, finish. You see that is showing here now. See, now it's showing. Now you're done. That's how you add another hard drive into your PC on Windows 10. There it is. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.